Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some important aptitude questions. Let's get started. The first question belongs to simple interest. The first question is a sum of 8,000 rupees is invested in scheme A at simple interest for 2 years at R% per annum and gets some interest. Now, he invested the total amount received from scheme A in scheme B at simple interest for the same time period at 10% per annum and received 2080 rupees as interest. Find the value of R. Interest in scheme A is PTR by 100. So principal is 8,000 rupees and time is 2 years. R is R percentage. So interest in scheme A is 2R by 100 into 8,000. Now interest in scheme B means principal into time into PTR by 100. Here the principal is 2R by 100 into 8,000 plus again 8,000 because that entire amount is invested as the principal in second scheme B. For that reason, principal is this much 2R by 100 into 8,000 plus 8,000, that is which is the amount of scheme A, and time period is 2 years and rate of interest is 10%, so 20 by 100. This entire expression is equals to 2080 rupees, which is given. So by solving this expression, we will get 2R by 100 into 8,000 equal to 2,400, and finally R is 15%. Option C is the right answer. I hope you understood this question. Let's move to the second one. Pipes and cisterns. A filling tap can fill a tank in 10 hours. Two equivalent filling taps and one outlet tap are opened simultaneously. Then the tank is filled in 7.5 hours. In how much time outlet tap can empty the tank in hours? Here one inlet tap is there which fills in a span of 10 hours. The same kind of another tap is there which is also fills in 10 hours. So in 1 hour the work is 1 by 10 and another is 1 by 10. We don't know the work of the outlet pipe. So we consider it as 1 by x. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 minus 1 by x equal to 2 by 15. From where this 2 by 15 came, it is 7.5 hours. The total time taken is 7.5 hours. So 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 by 2. And in 1 hour work it is a 2 by 15. So on solving this expression we get like this: minus 1 by x equal to 2 by 15 minus 1 by 5 and 1 by x equal to 3 by 2 minus 15, x equal to 15 hours. That is, the work done by the outlet pipe is 15 hours, which is option D. Let's move to the third question. A and B invested rupees 5,000 rupees and 9,000 rupees for 12 months and 6 months respectively. Profit share of B is how much percent more or less than profit share of A? Partnership problem. A and B invested 5,000 rupees and 9,000 rupees for 12 months and 6 months respectively. Now after cancellation we get 10:9. That means B is 1 part less than A. So 1 by 10 into 100. Why in the denominator we have to write 10? Because we are comparing with the A's share. So that's why 1 by 10 into 100, which is 10% less. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the fourth question. A, B and C invested in a ratio of 7:8:5 in a business. They got an annual profit of 1,36,800 rupees. If A and C withdrew their amount at the end of 3 months and 7 months respectively, then find the difference between A's and C's share of profit. Here A, B and C invested in the ratio of 7:8:5 and they got an annual for the period of A for the period of 3 months, B for the period of 12 months and C for a period of 7 months. This is the annual profit. The business ran for 1 year. After multiplication we got 21:96:35. Now we were asked to find out the difference between A's and C's share. So the total number of shares 21 plus 96 plus 35 equal to 152 shares, and difference between A's and A share and C share is 21 minus 35, that is 14 parts. 35 minus 21 is 14 parts. We have to find out the 14 parts value. 14 by 152 into 1,36,800. This is the entire profit which was given in the question. So if we observe here, 152 denominator is a 19 multiple and that 1,36,800 is also 19 multiple. So on cancelling with the 19, we get 12,600 rupees as the difference between A's and C share, which is option B. Last and final question. Area of square is how much percent of its perimeter of side 4 meters. So area of square, S is side is given as 4 meters, perimeter is 4s which is 16 meters, and area formula is S square which is 16 meters square. So perimeter is 16 meters as well as the area is also 16 meters square. 1:1 that equal to 100%. Therefore option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood all the questions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.